If you're looking to offer international benefits to your employees, Oyster is an incredible tool that makes it incredibly simple to manage global teams while providing them with tailored benefits, no matter where they are. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to leverage Oyster to provide international benefits, so stick around to the end, where I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial of Oyster with exclusive bonuses. Now, when you sign up for Oyster, you gain access to a platform that helps you onboard, manage, and support employees from anywhere in the world. Whether you're hiring remotely or scaling an international team, Oyster takes the guesswork out of global employment. One of the key features of Oyster is its ability to streamline the process of offering international benefits, all while staying compliant with local regulations. When you start using Oyster, it allows you to easily customize benefits packages that are region-specific. The software automatically takes care of the complex details like taxation, compliance, and labor laws for different countries. This makes offering international benefits not only easier but also more efficient. No more manually figuring out what benefits are legal or what's standard in each country. For example, in some countries, employees are entitled to specific health benefits or parental leave. With Oyster, all of this is built into the platform, so you can offer these benefits right away without having to figure out each country's requirements individually. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with multiple regions and need to ensure you're staying compliant across the board. One feature I love about Oyster is the ease of offering health benefits, which can often be one of the trickiest parts of international employment. Oyster integrates with global health providers, so you can offer health insurance that is both local to the region and up to international standards, which is essential for attracting top talent worldwide. This global integration is a game changer for businesses looking to scale quickly while offering competitive and compliant benefits to their employees. Additionally, Oyster allows you to customize other benefit options like retirement plans, stipends for learning and development, and wellness programs that are adapted to the needs of each employee based on their location. And if you're managing a distributed team, this flexibility is crucial for keeping employees happy and engaged across different time zones and cultures. You might be wondering, how does Oyster make this so seamless? It's all about the automation and integration Oyster brings into the process. For example, when you hire an employee, Oyster automatically applies the benefits applicable in their location, so you don't have to spend hours researching what's required. Plus, it consolidates all the necessary paperwork and documentation for each employee, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. Now let's talk about something that could change how you approach international hiring, Oyster's dashboard. It's an intuitive interface that allows you to see everything you need in one place. From benefits to payroll and tax filings, Oyster centralizes all this information, so you don't have to jump between different tools. If you're someone who values simplicity, you'll really appreciate this feature. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access Oyster for free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link below, which includes some amazing bonuses. With this trial, you can explore all of Oyster's features and start offering international benefits to your team without any financial commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your global team management. If you're ready to level up your business and start offering international benefits, the easy way, Oyster, is definitely the software you need. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and bonus offer.